Welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be talking about how to organize the kitchen in the easiest way possible.
This is general view, and then I will go into details. The main thing in the kitchen, it doesn't matter how large or small it is. What is really important is to locate the oven first. This is the oven and that's the stove. Then after that, you have to understand that what you use should be next to you. You're gonna use spices, I put it here. Vinegar, oils. Here I put the frying oils, regular oils, and then in this drawer I put the foil and some Pyrexes because I use the foil to cover the pans and line it. And down here I have some pans and lids and stuff like this. Of course, I have spatulas and frying things here. Let's come and take a look. Let me turn on the light. Okay, I have over here, this is a switch. And as you can see, here is off and here is on. I love that. It's also magnet, so if I have a magnet, which I have, I can just put it here. Okay, here we go. These are the spices. That is amazing, that rolls. And this is syrups, different kind of vinegars, soya sauce, all this stuff, herbs, and here we have everything we need to utilities and knives. Here is some extra herbs, but this is the main. I have two foils and this is the wax paper. I line the plastic bags so it doesn't get toxic. Around here I have different oils. Here's some more knives. This is magnet. I like to put it here. This covers all the oils from splattering. This one is the hand blender. And as you can see, some different stuff. Over here there is the pen. I took the handle because with the high heat it tends to melt, so I push it away from the fire and I can handle it with one thing. Okay, now we locate the sink. Next to the sink, if you have a dishwasher, that's the dishwasher. So it means the sink, we need to have all the soaps. Okay, this is the soap. And then under here, you have all the detergent, all the cloth. This is natural spray. Make sure it's natural because it's toxic. This is coriander. And all the cutting boards. So as you can see, I wash with dishes, the counters, so everything is in here, or it can be in the bottom, somewhere around. Here is some cups that I really use a lot, and this is the trash that, you cannot go without the trash. I can just take out the bag and put another bag. I keep new bags on the bottom. The dishwasher. Okay, so you have all the spoons, dishes. So it has to be on top of it and on top of the sink. So here is your dishes, and here is your sink, and here is your soaps, and here is your cups, and here is your dishwasher. You have to understand that cups over here also goes to the drink section, which is the coffee maker, and here is the coffee and the teas. Here you go. I have here teas, and here is coffee and more stuff. Over here I have the grinder. I grind some spices and grind some herbs. It's nice. Okay. Over here we have whatever we can add to it, spatulas and stuff. These are clips I use for everything. These are my eyeglasses. I put magnet. And this is everything I do in it. It's blender, it's mixer, it's cake maker, it's the bullets. I have bullets for protein shakes. I have grinder, all in this. And I put the stuff over here. This is all the stuff for it with the balls. And in the middle one, I have all glass containers because plastic really is toxic. Over here, I have also bullets for the machine and the plastic bags. Over here, some lids. This one you always need with the pen to label everything that you do. I have the rubber bands, which I really use a lot, and these are nice ones for closing. I have also pen. This is nice for the olive oil. You can take any Coke small glass bottle and put it in it. This one also. Anyway. Okay, what else? These two mops I love. I will talk about them later. This is where I hang my aprons, and this is amazing for just throwing in everything you want, like plastic bag and stuff like this. Okay, so here we go. This is the scissors. It's also magnet. These are different kinds of stuff I use. This is for the hot pans. And then we come here. This is a small closet. However, it really helps a lot. You can just dump in it everything you want. You know, even if it's small, you can just make a small corner, make a closet. And oh, this is my magic sweeper. I sweep everything with it, vacuum everything with it. It's amazing. I'll tell you in details down below what you do with it. It makes the kitchen so much easier for cleaning. These are the pans and pots, and that's my speaker. I love to listen to music or anything during cooking. Here I hang some more stuff. Over here, that's the chair, that's table that's folded, and you can make the wider space. Here, I'll fold it for you. Okay, and here we have it's like a basket. You put everything inside it. I put Kleenex, wet wipes, olive oil, salt, sauces, and here you can put anything. Or of course you can put some like magnet stuff like this. These are very nice. You can take anything you want and hang it. Over here I have the DIY trash. I like it because I can move it anywhere I want, and then I can take it out. I put some magnets. Now you locate the microwave and the fridge, and what you need is always to have a plastic wrap. So make sure you have the plastic wrap next to it. So here's a plastic wrap, and these are trays. Okay, and of course you can fill your pantry with different stuff. This makes it even more organized. Here you go, and also drawers make your life easier. Over here in the middle, if you see, I have different steps. You can step on it. And over here in this pantry, I have all the conserving stuff like dried fruits, chilies, jams, figs, nuts, anything. So that's next to the fridge because that's where you like to eat the most. And that's about it.